All right, welcome back to this channel. I hope you've had a great start to the year. I've been busy with some internal stuff, but now we're back, and I just wanted to use this first video of this year, well, almost first video of the year, to highlight some very big news for everybody that is keeping tabs on Amazon software options and solutions, which is search query performance data is finally available in the Amazon API. And with that, will finally be available within, I guess, pretty much all Amazon software providers in the next few months, because they have to work with that data. It is the most crucial, or one of the most crucial data points given by Amazon. It tells you your market share of impressions, of clicks, and orders for your most important keywords on Amazon. So what could be more valuable than that? And it also tells you what is your conversion rate compared to your competitor conversion rate for each of those keywords. There again, incredibly valuable. That tells you, do I even have a chance to compete for that keyword? And do I have a chance of actually sticking my organic ranking? Is it worth to be pushing for that organic ranking? Is it worth to be, unprofitable for a while? And really be aggressive for that kind of keyword. If you have a better conversion rate, or at least, slightly better than the average competitor conversion rate, then you actually have a chance to keep that organic ranking that you're trying to pay for with sponsored ads, right? So this pretty big news, as always, of course, shared on LinkedIn with my news page. So you want to follow that perhaps. Otherwise, you can, of course, also subscribe to YouTube now, where we'll be back with reporting on these kind of news and some, analytics or some commentary from myself. So, is this actually real game changer news, as they always say, or is it, just kind of biggish news? Well, this one is, I can tell you, because just imagine all the possibilities that come with this, especially for PPC automation tools, when you can automate your bids based on your market share for a certain keyword. The options are endless to dominate a niche with your software. So keep an eye on that whenever you look out for any tool now, pretty much. This is really one of the most powerful things. And of course, it will be something that I will also look out for in the Amazon Tools League, right? There are actually a couple of tools that already have this. I thought I already made a note here, but I know AdLabs has it. So there's a yes right here, right? Market share. I should make a note. SQR data. So that is pretty awesome now. And I know somebody else had it. I think it was, actually I know it was Scale Insights. Where are they? Here they are. Scale Insights has that as well. Right, so there are a couple of new points for these first tools that are already using the market share data from the search query performance report, right? Which you can also find in brand analytics in your Seller Central account. So there's that, right? There will be other columns that will be affected by this. I believe probably also some competitor benchmarks. That's what I was talking about before, with being able to see what is your conversion rate compared to your competitors. So that too, I happen to know, available in both AdLabs. Actually, again, just copy that. AdLabs and Scale Insights. So that will, of course, boost their points in every scoring system. Right, Scale Insights jumping up a little bit. And AdLabs also quite high now. And I wanted to make a separate video about SellerMate soon enough. But yes, they are currently the new leader in the starter brand scoring system, at least. And we'll see maybe in some other scoring system how they will rank. But for now, really surprised by this newcomer. It's always actually surprising, still how many new tools keep creeping up and actually have a chance to compete with all these big names. And out of nowhere, really, SellerMate just kind of blew me away with their offering and also their pricing, which is of course also kind of a factor in the starter brand scoring system. So yeah, if you're into more rule-based automation and a lot of control, then SellerMate is a big option now. I also have a discount for them as of many of these tools, right, that I am partnering with. Basically every one of these tools that has a partner program. So I'm just trying to be, as neutral as possible by just signing up to all of the partner programs. But yeah, that's the stance for today. I hope you like this news format. We're going to bring it back. We used to do it like 2-3 years ago, but I feel like, yeah, there needs to be some more PPC focused news again, especially now that, political situations are making things even harder. You need to really, kind of get into the details of keeping your tacos at a certain level to even have any margin left, at least if you're sourcing from China or a lot of other places in the world, as we know right now. So yeah, that's it for this news. I'll keep you up to date with other news, and I'll actually catch up on some of the other small news that was going on in the past few weeks, right? So stick around, and of course stick around for future updates of the Amazon Tools League. I hope to complete a pricing overview this year, along with various updates to the existing overviews that you already know from previous videos. So yeah, stick around this channel, and I'll see you around. In other news, I've decided to share my top 3 secrets from 9+ years of Amazon advertising experience. They are the 3 reasons your ads are likely not delivering the results you were hoping for. 3 pieces of fundamental know-how every Amazon advertiser should have. No one talks about them publicly, but I want to change that. I want to let you in on those secrets. Simply click on the link below so I can send them to you right away.